So guys, here's a very useful hack that you can use to search any website on Google for a certain keyword. So the hack is that you'll have to type this into Google. So firstly you will have to put these double commas, then you will have to write site, then you will put these colons, and then you will put the round bracket. Then you will type in your website, whichever that is, and then you will close these bracket, and after that you will put the double commas again. Once done with this, put a space in between and then write in your keyword. It could be anything that you want to find from this website. So for an example, I am going to search the NewYorkTimes.com for the term crypto. So I have put it in the same format, and let me just show you how this works. So I'll go over to Google, and once I am on Google, I'll put in that command. So this is the exact command. Hit enter, and here we have it. We have all the articles that have the keyword crypto in it. So if you are searching for a certain term on a certain website, well then this would be the technique to use Google to find that keyword from that website. So now you can use it as you will. If you found this video to be interesting, do drop a like and also check out the other informative content on the channel. And right now on the screen you will be seeing a video that YouTube thinks you should watch next. So let's just trust YouTube